Ako, personally, I've seen you in a lot of your pains. When you talk about pain, at ang unang-unang lumalabas sa bibig mo is the death of your father.
Yes.
Hanggang ngayon ba dala-dala mo yun? Or are you
Mm.
over it? Parang ang feeling ko kasi you don't get over a pain as as big as that eh.
You don't. You learn to live with it, but in a healthy way.
Mm.
Kumbaga, kumbaga, the person that I am today, I owe so much of that to losing my father because I feel that um in 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 when he passed away, it really made me find myself. Kasi
Mm.
for the longest time, kilala ako bilang anak ni Francis M. And then nung nawala siya, plus best friend ko pa siya, I considered him my best friend, parang feeling ko yung buong mundo ko gumuho. Alam mo yon.
Mm.
So when I was going through that painful experience, hindi ko na-realize 5 years na pala akong tuloy-tuloy umiinom at pumaparty. Kasi nagsimula yan, syempre masakit, ininom ko, tapos I kept making an excuse. Umiinom ako, naglalasing ako kasi nawala si Papa eh. And then 5 years na pala, ganun pa rin yung excuse ko. So you get caught in that cycle of
Mm.
distracting yourself, numbing the pain, and then when you wake up the next day, nandyan pa rin naman. So what I had to do was, I had to come to terms with it. I had to accept it. Kasi me drinking, partying, that was me resisting what was happening in the present moment. That was me denying my pain. And then when I started accepting, turning inward, feeling that pain, crying when what I needed to cry, lahat ng emotions na hindi ko pinansin nung 5 taon na yon, iniyak ko siya, hinarap ko siya, dinamdam ko siya, and finally tinanggap ko. Tinanggap ko that my dad's death is a part of my human experience and it is one of my unique assignments from God.
Mm.
Feeling ko kasi lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan nating challenges sa buhay natin, yan yung mga unique assignment na binibigay sa atin ni God na alam niyang kaya nating daanan.